Welcome friends to Zen with Fabian. I am Fabian, and during today's meditation we're gonna do a 4-6 breath count for 5 minutes. When practiced consistently, breath counting exercises will sharpen your ability to concentrate and achieve unification and tranquility of mind. I recommend doing this exercise while sitting upright in order to be able to breathe deeply and effortlessly. Sit either cross-legged, on your heels, or even on a chair. If you're lying down and intend to fall asleep, then you might want to consider my other breath counting meditations, specifically designed to sleep like a Buddha. So wear something comfy and let's get to it. Alright, then come on down into a seat of your choice. If you are sitting cross-legged or on your heels, use a cushion or a folded blanket so that the knees can rest lower than the hips. Lift the sternum slightly and tuck in the chin. Once you have assumed a comfortable and firm Zazen posture, bring your attention to your breathing and take a few deep breaths in and out through the nose. One more time, a deep breath in and exhale completely. Now let's begin counting to 4 during the inhalation and to 6 for the exhalation. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In 4, 3, 2, 1. Out 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In 4, 3, 2, 1. Out 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In 4, 3, 2, 1. Out 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In 4, 3, 2, 1. Out 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In 4, 3, 2, 1. Out 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In 4, 3, 2, 1. Out 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now relax the posture and become aware of how you feel right now. Let's take 2 deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. Again, in through the nose. And sigh it all out. And if you're sitting on the floor, unfold the legs. And let the blood circulate again into all parts of the body. And this concludes today's Zazen. I hope you're feeling fresh, energized, and full of vitality. Thanks so much for joining me today. Take good care for now, and I hope to see you very soon.